The Air Jordan 3 Family Affair is set to release in fall or holiday 2025 via Nike.com and select retailers. While early rumors suggested a Realtree camo theme, the sneaker instead draws inspiration from generational hunting traditions. It features a rugged blend of olive and black tones, reflecting the colors typically found in outdoor and hunting gear. This nature-inspired palette connects the design to the spirit of fall adventures and family heritage. A major highlight is the inclusion of the coveted Nike Air heel branding, a detail often reserved for the most iconic retro releases. Though it lacks photorealistic camo patterns, the earthy aesthetic and symbolic theme help this edition stand out. Reported by Sneaker Files and Sneakerhead, the sneaker embraces storytelling rooted in tradition rather than flashy visuals. With its nod to the outdoors and family bonding, the Air Jordan 3 Family Affair balances modern appeal and nostalgic value, making it a meaningful drop for Jordan fans.